Hi guys, if your Insignia Fire TV stick is flickering or suddenly getting dim, as it can be seen over here in this image, it's usually a display setting or the signal issue. So in this video you are going to learn how you can fix it step by step. Now on an Insignia Fire TV, you just have to first of all go to the settings. When you are inside the settings, simply just look for the option of display and sounds. Now, when you are inside the option of display and sound, you just have to simply look for the option of the picture settings. Now, inside the picture settings, there will be the option that would say dynamic backlight or adaptive contrast. So you just have to turn that option off. And this is the feature that is going to adjust the brightness constantly, and it can cause flickering or dim shifts. After that, you need to switch your picture mode to the standard or movie instead of vivid. So aggressive modes often push the brightness and cause instability in the darker scenes. So this is going to stabilizes the brightness output. Now inside the settings, you can also go to the display option. Now here when you are inside display, simply look for the option of video resolution. So here you need to set the video resolution to at least 1080p instead of auto. The auto resolution switching can also cause the flickering when the signal changes. So these are the steps that are going to stop the flickering and the dimming on your Insignia Fire TV. So you can try these and let me know if that works. Thank you.